You know, something amazing is happening in the world of fashion right now. More and more people, especially Millennials and Gen Z, are waking up to the impact their choices have on the planet. I've seen the numbers. About 66% of consumers are willing to pay more for sustainable products. That's not just a trend, it's a movement. But what's really driving this shift? For many, it's about identity. The clothes I wear say something about who I am and what I stand for. When I choose sustainable fashion, I'm expressing my values loud and clear. And it's not just me. Influencers, celebrities, even my friends, they're all talking about sustainability, challenging the old ways of fast fashion. Education is a big piece of the puzzle too. Workshops, online courses. Simple conversations are opening people's eyes to the environmental impact of what we buy. The more I learn, the more intentional I become with my purchases. So what can brands do to keep up? First, transparency is key. I want to know where my clothes come from, how they're made, and what the brand is doing to reduce its footprint. When a brand shares its sustainability journey, the struggles, the wins, the real stories, it builds trust, and sometimes a little incentive goes a long way. Discounts for returning old clothes, loyalty points for sustainable choices, these small nudges make a big difference. Now, let's look at some brands leading the way. Patagonia, for example, doesn't just talk about sustainability, they live it. Their Don't Buy This Jacket campaign actually encouraged people to buy less and repair more. That's bold. Stella McCartney is another trailblazer, proving that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. From vegetarian leather to innovative recycled fabrics, she's setting new standards in high fashion. And then there's Reformation, a brand that's all about transparency and style. They show their carbon footprint right on the product page and make sustainability cool for younger generations. The message is clear. Sustainable fashion isn't just possible, it's happening. By understanding what motivates us as consumers, brands can build real connections and inspire lasting change. The future of fashion? It's ethical, innovative, and most of all, sustainable.